wondered what it takes to create a bright and promising future? It requires an encyclopedic vision, meticulous planning, and most importantly, an innovative approach that is based on knowledge and experience. Only a few are well equipped and up to such a challenge. We are leading the charge. We are Glassco. A leader in scientific glassware, Glassco has been pioneering innovation for more than 40 years. With a 20,000 square meter state-of-the-art facility that houses the research, development, and production divisions, Glassco has left no stone unturned in its quest to provide you with products that are safe, easy to use, modern, and endowed with world-class technology. Manufactured under ISO, DIN, and ASTM norms, Glassco product can be categorized broadly under volumetric glassware, interchangeable glassware, filtration glassware, general glassware. The distinguishing factors here is the fact that Glassco is one of the very few companies that makes both norms of ASTM and ISO from the same plant. Glassco believes that its products should not only meet world-class standards, but also exceed them. This is ensured by a team of 300 experienced and qualified professionals and an efficient and effective ERP system that enables complete traceability of its product cycle from start to finish. Glassco follows a stringent quality control process, and it starts with the raw materials. Glassco uses only ASTM E438 Type 1 Class A Boro 3.3 glass for its production, which is imported from the USA, Germany, and the Czech Republic. Glassco has an advanced production process that is a blend of technological prowess and human skill. Sourced from the best manufacturers globally, Glassco employs various advanced machinery including CNC machine, used primarily for filtration glassware products. This machine is used for flangers, which requires very tight tolerances. Cylinder forming machine. These machines are used to create cylinders ranging from 10 milliliters to 1,000 milliliters. Joint forming machines. On this precision machine, all kinds of joints are made with precise perfection, which are later used to make other products. Special purpose machines. This is a state-of-the-art machine manufactured as per our needs, on which flasks ranging from 25 milliliters to 250 milliliters in all shapes can be made at very high speed and with incisive accuracy. Beaker forming machine. This utilitarian machine helps make beakers automatically with sizes ranging from 50 milliliters to 600 milliliters. Glass blowing lathes. These form creating machines are used to make volumes of bigger sizes from 500 milliliters to 5 liters in various shapes, like volumetric flasks, separating funnels, and round-bottom flasks, etc. These machines and many more are what powers Glassco to create world-class equipment with international standards and specifications. But there are products of scientific glassware which demand singular attention to detail, acute precision, and absolute perfection. This is achieved manually thanks to Glassco's skilled, qualified, knowledgeable, and experienced glass blowers who take quality to a whole new echelon with their skills and creativity. Another shining example of Glassco's excellence in quality is its stringent and unforgivable inspection process. Every piece of glassware that emerges from the production process goes through an annealing process and is further exposed to an exhaustive check for optical clarity, dimensional check, and wall thickness check before being moved into further processing. Glassco ensures that its products are aesthetically exceptional in addition to being superior in quality through its state-of-the-art printing process. Printing is done automatically and as well as manually by skilled professionals, depending on the nature and size of the products. The printed products then go into the ovens where they are baked at temperatures above 565 degrees Celsius. If there is one thing that truly differentiates Glassco products from the rest, is their finesse. And this is achieved in the grinding department. Each product goes through an automatic grinding machine that smooths and evens it, while a highly skilled professional completes the process by hand, polishing the products, giving it its signature sheen and smoothness. As a standard procedure, before any piece of volumetric glass reaches a laboratory or research institute, it has to be calibrated under temperature-controlled conditions, and needless to say, with precise perfection. Glassco has highly skilled technicians to operate 4 automatic calibration machines for volumetric flasks and cylinders, in addition to 2 other machines for calibrating barrettes and pipettes. Glassco uses a state-of-the-art calibration machine and also a quality control center to check the calibration results of the pipettes. 2 high-volume calibration machines are used for calibration from 100 milliliters to 2,000 milliliters, and 2 small volume calibration machines are used for calibrating volumes from 5 milliliters to 50 milliliters. All the calibration in the laboratory is done by deionized water. The highly sophisticated machines fill up and drain glassware with deionized water to the capacity up to 0.001 milliliters. Not to forget, with absolute accuracy, each and every flask, barrette, and pipette is marked at the precise position, taking into consideration the amount and temperature of air and water. Also, with an NABL-approved calibration laboratory, maintained and operated under ISO 17025-2005, Glassco goes a step ahead of the usual and calibrates each and every product individually instead of verifying a batch for calibration. This extensive but effective procedure allows Glassco to individually assess, scrutinize, and document its product calibrations, which translates into better quality and error-free products. All the relevant calibration data is available online at the website in form of batch certificates and individual certificates, which can be assessed later by customers and concerned authorities. Checked, certified, and ordered, the final products move into the packing section that performs the final check before the product is put into a box. A controller stamp ensures accountability. While barcodes are used for packing the goods, the product also carries a QR code. This helps you to download the certificates of calibration and conformity at the touch of your fingers on the mobile. All you need to do is simply put your phone against the QR code to scan it, and it will automatically open the certificate of compliance and certificate of conformity. In the case of volumetric flasks, you can take a print as per your requirement for any certificate you need. We believe that with the help of technology, everything should be at the fingertips for the consumers. And this special feature is just a way to show that we care. to honor its promise of quality and conformity. Each product coming out of the production process at Glassco is checked, double-checked, and rechecked again to make sure it is perfect in all aspects of quality, aesthetics, usability, durability, and safety. Safety is of paramount importance at Glassco, and to ensure the same, all Glassco products comply with safety norms. Glassco ensures that products reach every corner of the world in its best form by shipping them on pallets, which helps prevent in-transit breakage. Glassco today exports to more than 70 countries worldwide. While the lion's share of its exports is to Europe and the United States of America, there has been a rise in demand from countries across the globe. Glassco believes in creating products that evoke excellence in form and function. Glassco believes in delivering world-class quality to its customers worldwide. Glassco believes in innovations that help rediscover the present and redefine the future. A future that is bright and promising.